Hello traders. Today we are looking at the Kaufman Efficiency Ratio Indicator for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and I'll show you how this trend efficiency measurement tool works on your charts. At this point, I'm going to load on the indicator so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm about to allow the LL imports, and there we have it. On the chart, the Kaufman efficiency ratio appears in a separate window as a line oscillating between 0 and 1. Values closer to 1 indicate that the price is moving efficiently in one direction, suggesting a strong trend. Values closer to 0 indicate a choppy, directionless market with low efficiency. This provides a clear visual measure of how cleanly the market is trending. As for the indicator settings, the settings typically include the lookback period for the efficiency calculation, which determines how many bars are used to assess the ratio between directional movements and total movements. Display options such as threshold levels, line color, and smoothing parameters may also be available. As for who is for, this indicator is designed for traders on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 who want to quantify trend quality before applying trend following strategies. It is a visual and analytical tool only and does not execute trades. High efficiency does not guarantee continued trending, and the ratio can shift quickly during market transitions. Always combine with additional analysis. That's going to wrap up today's video. If you'd like to download this indicator or learn more about it, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future content. I'll see you in the next one.